Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some bird food. Hand feed baby cockatiel. So I've warmed up my water for 30 seconds, and as you can see how much I got in there, I got a little bit too much. But she's always really hungry lately, so I'm going to go ahead and keep quiet. I'm going to add my ingredients. And I might have added too much. Added too much for her, but this is a perfect amount. And then you're going to mix it like a pancake. Make sure it's really good. Alright, that should be good. Just to make sure. Alright, I'm going to test it. It's a little bit hot. I keep stirring it. To cool it down. I'm coming, baby. Okay. That's perfect. Come on, baby. Come here, step up. Step up. Step down. I want to show everybody. Come here. Come here, step up. Step up. Come here. Oh, she doesn't want to come off. Come here. Come here. Come here, I gotta show everybody how to feed you, baby. Okay, step down. There we go. Alright, let's show everybody. You're crying. There's my... Now we need this. Okay? And we're gonna go ahead and fill it up to about the 8. Right there. Yes, baby, I know, it's a little bit hot. It's a little bit hot. I'm going to go ahead and under some cold water to cool it down. So if you're really quick at this, and you don't have to add any water to it, I would do 15 seconds. And then we're just going to cool it down. Okay, that's good. I'm coming, baby, I'm coming. It's perfect. Yep, perfect. Okay, here we go. I'm coming. Fast as I can. Fast as I can. Gonna be okay. And she was not even screaming until she saw the food. Mom, give me it now! I'm coming, baby. And make sure all the air bubbles are out of it. Go ahead and fling it, and then there it goes. It's good. All right, you ready? Okay, you're going to slowly push it. Yummy, messy eater. My messy eater. Yummy, yummy. Messy, messy eater. My messy, messy eater. Messy, messy eater. Why are you yelling at me? Is your student hungry? Yum, 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 yum. She might want to come up on my shoulder to eat the rest, and I don't want her on my jacket. Come on, baby. Almost ready? Done. Are we done? Are you full? Are you full? Yeah? She might eat the rest of this in 15 minutes. I give it about a couple seconds. Some babies are like this. Some of them can take it all at once. Sometimes she can, sometimes she can't. I would just give your bird as much as they will tell you when they are full. And she told me, hey, I'm full. But she'll also tell me, hey, I'm hungry again too. Especially if I poke it at her and she goes, ah, and starts yelling like that again, she's hungry. So, yep, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, baby cockatiel feed. Say goodbye, Tillie. Bye. Bye-bye. I love you.